Are you struggling to transfer files from Android to your PC using USB cable? No worries, it's a breeze with the USB cable. This guide will teach you how to put files from phone to computer. Way 1. Transfer files from Android to PC using USB cable via Windows File Explorer. Connect original cable. Set Android to transfer files mode. Open Windows File Explorer. Find phone under computer. Double-click phone. Access internal storage. Copy files. Paste to PC directory. Disconnect divide. Way 2. Transfer files from Android to PC with USB via Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android is a comprehensive data management tool. It offers seamless backup and restoration capabilities for Android devices, safeguarding essential files like contacts, messages, photos, and more. How to transfer file from Android to PC using Assistant for Android via USB cable. Step 1. Connect Android phone to the PC. Step 2. Detect your connected Android phone. Step 3. Select the files you want to transfer. Step 4. Start the transferring process for the backup. Bonus: fully backup Android device to laptop using one click. Connect the Android phone to a laptop and open Assistant for Android on the laptop. Click on Super Toolkit. Click on Backup. Select the folder to store the files. Now click Start the process by clicking Backup. Wait for it to finish. Way 3. Transfer files from phone to laptop with USB via AirDroid. AirDroid offers a convenient solution for transferring files between your phone and laptop. Say goodbye to the hassle of USB cables. Simply install AirDroid on both devices and create an account for each. You can transfer various files,